From north, south, east, and west, a brighter future is our quest. Justice, peace, and unity, together shaping destiny. New ideas, a better way, accountability every day. The future's here for all to see. A new Nigeria starts with you and me. We are ADC.
Every ranch, every man, every voice counts. Together we stand. We rise as one, lifting every voice, building a stronger Nigeria. We are ADC.